Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So the time has come and me and James are blown away of how quickly it's come round. So 2,000 subs, James.
2,000, it's gone quick.
It's mental. So if you're wondering why we're stood so far apart, obviously we're social distance. We've got at least 3 or 4 meters between us. Violet's back, which is always a plus. Massive thanks to James again. And yeah, there's something here that you guys will see very soon. But that is not why you're here. You're here for the 2,000 subscriber giveaway. So we went back and we said we wanted 3 winners, didn't we? And we're going to give away 2 mini spares vouchers and a sticker. So a Simpsons Classic sticker and 2 vouchers. First winner, we get a £20 voucher, second a 10, and then a sticker for the third. So we have drawn those winners now, and we will put that into the video just now. But we just want to say at the time and just say massive thank you for all the support. You guys have welcomed James onto the channel, which is amazing. We've got a real nice little project for you guys coming up. There's a little glimpse of one here, but there's something that's completely different and not mini related, and we quite love it, don't we?
Yes, we do. We very much do. And we've been teasing you guys for a long time.
Yeah.
It will be coming this week,
Yeah.
hopefully.
So we have filmed her and what it does and what it is, but we'll just put it out there. It's not a mini, so you guys can chat amongst yourselves about that. But we just want to take the time now and say massive thank you. Between me and James, we've got loads of plans. Lockdown has destroyed our plans really for this year. We did have so much to do, so much to buy and give you guys into the channel, but we can't.
We just couldn't meet.
We just can't do it. You got to be legal at the end of the day at the moment, and yeah, it's just hard. But we have the plans still, and we're still going to do them. One thing we have always said that we're going to keep the minis as part of the channel, but we are going to bring other cars to you guys. So you guys that come for the minis, thank you so much, and I hope you continue to support us. But we are going to bring other cars in because me and James are just petrol heads. So we want to own other cars, we want to drive different cars, we want to experience different cars, and I think after Violet, we're
not the biggest fan of minis anymore.
No, we said so. Quite a few choice words were said. That's all we're going to say. So yeah, onwards and upwards. Check out the winners now. We're go and find your comment, and then you can contact us. We'll get the vouchers over to you, send the sticker out. But yeah, we just wanted to take the time now just to say a massive thank you, and yeah, the support's overwhelming really. So onwards and upwards, let's just keep pushing along and keep bringing you guys content. So check out the winners now. Right guys, let's get this draw done. Good luck to everyone that's taken part. So get the comments. Got 59 unique comments, so let's go down and let's start our raffle. Martin Smudge?
Martin Smudge, by the sounds of it.
You're the first winner, so you have won a £20 mini spares voucher. So please get down in the comments. You've been cleaning your car in lockdown. Yes, that's one of the things we asked for, and you'd like to see a project build of a GT6. That's very cool. So right, that's prize 1. Right, winner number 2. Let's pick another one. Mike McBride. Nice seeing you on the road again. Hopefully a box of bits will have us sorted. Minivan project would be good. Yes, we can confirm there will be a minivan on the channel. Yes. Not sure when, but that is definitely something we can do. So you have won the £10 mini spares voucher. So very well done to you. Right, one more prize to give away, which is one of our Simpsons Classics stickers. The next winner is AB, is the name of his channel. So it is great videos. As always, I'm currently working on a jet black in the welding stage. I'd love to see a project on a 998 engine rebuild and see the ways to give it more power. Yeah, I guess. Well, we could probably go cover that on our Club on the Estate actually, because that's got a few things that gives it a little bit more power. But yeah. Yeah, we can definitely cover that. So well done to everyone. You have just won a sticker. So yeah, we just can't thank you guys enough.